Hey fans, welcome back. In this video, we reveal innovative gadgets that are transforming the way we live. From smart devices to futuristic tech, discover the latest inventions that will enhance your daily life. The Tactical Trio Tree Hook, a must-have for hunters who prefer real adventures over virtual ones. This handy organizer, aptly named Trio, attaches right to a tree for easy access. With 3 hooks, including 2 that rotate a full 180 degrees, you'll have everything you need at arm's reach. And the best part, it's only $15. So why wait? Meet your new hunting companion today. The GOOVIS G3X. These goggles are all about lighter, slimmer, and freer experiences. Forget bulky headsets, because these virtual reality goggles weigh in at just 300 grams. That's half the weight of the Apple Vision Pro. With a crystal clear 1080 resolution image for each eye, it's like having an 800-inch screen right in front of you, no matter where you are. And the best part, these goggles can connect to everything from your smartphone to your game console, offering a whole new perspective on your favorite entertainment. So if you've got $539 to spare, why not take your entertainment to the next level with the GOOVIS G3X? Woodsman Zippo Outdoors Multi-Tool. It may look like your typical axe, but it's so much more. Packed with a range of functions, it's your go-to tool for outdoor adventures. With features like an axe, saw blade, tent stake puller, and mallet, the Woodsman is a versatile powerhouse. The mallet comes in handy for pounding nails or securing tent stakes in tough terrain. And when it's time to pack up camp, the lower section of the multi-tool makes it a breeze to quickly pull out tent stakes and take down your tent. Crafted from stainless steel with an anti-corrosion coating, the axe and hacksaw blades are built to last. Meanwhile, the handle and cover are made of durable polymer material for a secure grip, even in slippery conditions. This all-in-one survival tool measures just 18 inches in length, 5 inches in width, and weighs only 4 pounds. Imagine the convenience of having this multi-tool instead of a bunch of individual tools. And if the Woodsman had a muzzle and trigger, it would look something like this, the perfect combination of flashlight, laser, and blade, ideal for handling especially perilous situations during survival. Hatch Restore, your ticket to unwinding with ease, sleeping longer, and waking up feeling refreshed. According to the creators of this alarm clock, after just 2 weeks of use, 59% of users reported reduced stress levels, and 24% felt more energetic. So, what's the secret behind its success? It's simple. The alarm clock simulates a sunrise, waking you up gently with both sound and light. Users have praised its natural and gentle wake-up process, and with a variety of settings to customize brightness, shade of lights, and even a special library of nature sounds, you can create the perfect ambience for your sleep and wake-up routine. Plus, it's compatible with both Android and iOS phones with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi capabilities, making it a versatile addition to your bedside table. It doubles as a night light, providing comfort and convenience all through the night, ready to upgrade your sleep routine. The Hatch Restore could be just what you need, with a price tag of $130. Turtle Titanium Fidget Slider, the ultimate relaxation gadget. This magnetic toy is not just any ordinary fidget toy. It's shaped like a waffle iron on the inside and sports a cool turtle shell design on the outside. Perfect for keeping your hands busy and your mind clear, it's a must-have for fans of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Compact and easy to carry in your pocket, measuring just 47 by 34 millimeters, it's always ready to provide endless entertainment wherever you go. Available in 2 versions, zirconium or Teflon. Weighing 90 or 72 grams respectively, you can choose the one that suits your style. With 12 neodymium 45 magnets, boredom doesn't stand a chance. And while the price may be a bit steep at $247, it's likely because this blended gadget is produced in New Zealand, ensuring top-notch quality and craftsmanship. Ready to slide into relaxation mode with the Turtle Titanium Fidget Slider. Straps, the ultimate wilderness survival kit that's designed to be your best companion in the great outdoors. This kit is all about 3 things: survival, first aid, and exploring uncharted terrain. So, what's inside? Straps is essentially a collection of sturdy yet lightweight straps that offer incredible strength without weighing you down. Made from thick polypropylene webbing, these straps can support over a ton of weight while remaining waterproof, UV resistant, and even floatable. But these straps are more than just for carrying stuff. They're versatile tools that can be used for everything from making improvised traction splints to serving as handles for transporting unstable objects. Need to tow something heavy or stop heavy bleeding? Straps has got you covered. The entire kit weighs just 2 pounds and comes neatly packed in a small waterproof bag, which doubles as a flotation device if needed. Plus, it includes an emergency whistle, a flamethrower, and 16 feet of paracord, and you can even choose the color of the paracord to suit your style. So whether you're a seasoned adventurer or just venturing out into the wilderness for the first time, Straps has everything you need to stay safe, prepared, and ready for anything. Newbealer Travel Iron, a game changer in the world of portable irons. Unlike traditional models, this iron is packed with innovative features. Firstly, it's compatible with both 120 and 200 volt power supplies, making it perfect for international travel. Secondly, it's super lightweight, tipping the scales at just 590 grams. And thirdly, it comes with a handy mat to protect your countertops from heat damage. But that's not all. The Newbealer heats up in a flash, reaching 150 degrees Celsius in just 2 minutes, so you can get those wrinkles out in no time. And with a price tag of $38, it's a steal compared to other travel irons on the market. Looking for more tech-savvy gadgets? Check out the Revo Morocco 3D scanner, priced at $1,300. With its cutting-edge features, it's sure to take your scanning game to the next level. XP Pinpointer MI-4, the perfect companion for your metal detector adventures. Most metal detectors come with a pinpoint function to help you zero in on your treasure. But why lug around a bulky metal detector when you can have a separate tool that's lighter and more compact? These handy tools, called pinpointers, are designed to fit into tight spaces like small holes and allow you to easily check piles of dug-up dirt without the hassle of carrying around your whole detector. And the XP MI-4 is a stellar example. With a hopping 30-hour battery life on a single charge, this pinpointer is ready to go whenever you are. Plus, it can handle dives down to 6 meters deep, making it perfect for underwater treasure hunting. And with a price tag of around $140, it's a small investment for big discoveries.